How to create a haulage job. To create a new haulage job, first click the New Haulage Job button. Enter the client name and, if known, enter other important details about the job, including the start date and price. Finally, add stops to your job using the Add Delivery or Add Collection buttons before entering details of the stop, including contact name and postcode. You can edit the job later via the job screen. Once you set the job live, it will be visible within the trip planning area.